Hello, everyone. I'm Cesar Lopez, a senior here at the University of Washington studying environmental science. I'm also a project coordinator at the Duwamish Valley Sustainability Association for the biodigester project that you will learn about today, where I work towards a more sustainable and equitable community. And thank you for having me today. So let me tell you a little bit about the Duwamish Valley Sustainability Association. Our community organization provides opportunities for young people from BIPOC families to be trained in STEAM topics, to develop community programs and projects where needed that will grow healthier, more sustainable communities and help to jumpstart their professional careers. So some of you might be wondering, what is a biodigester? And I encourage you to think about it as a machine that processes food waste into byproducts such as liquid plant food and energy. It's sort of like a natural process, similar to a cow's stomach. So, show of hands, who here has no idea where this is? Right. This is South Park, for those of you that live in Seattle. Why is South Park important? Well, to begin with, most of its residents have faced historically polluting industries, and with that, particulate matter and diesel exhaust. They're also near the Duwamish River Superfund site. And with that comes linked health issues such as respiratory problems, heart disease, and other health issues linked to that pollution exposure. But South Park is also a host to local urban farms that operate to serve the community. Now, there has been a disproportionate impact on low-income families who happen to be the majority of residents in South Park, as well as immigrants and people of color. So, I'd like to focus on the food system aspect of this problem that has no silver bullet solution. So, let's focus. For those of you that haven't heard about Food Lifeline, think about it as a huge food bank, and they have a place in South Park that will be the host of our biodigester. So, we start right there, which enables us to produce probiotic plant food. This plant food will be distributed to local urban farms who will use it to grow fresh produce for the community. Our goal is to address the food desert issue in South Park by providing access to healthy, fresh food. We are committed to a circular economy approach where the community will return food waste to us, completing the loop of sustainability. By adopting this approach, we can reduce waste and create a more sustainable future for South Park. So let's talk about the probiotic plant food. This is a sustainable solution for plant nutrition that we plan to produce in the future. With an exceptional blend of organic matter, slow-release nutrients, and beneficial microbes, our product enriches the soil and nourishes plants, promoting a thriving ecosystem of plants, microbes, and fungi. The sale of PPF will enable the biodigester project to be self-sufficient in time. So what's the market opportunity? First, PPF represents a market opportunity for local urban farms due to the growing interest in urban farming and sustainable agriculture. Urban farms often rely on small spaces that can quickly become depleted of nutrients, making PPF an ideal solution to promote soil health and plant growth. The unique blend makes it an excellent alternative to traditional fertilizers and synthetic plant foods, which can be harmful to the environment and human health. PPF's sustainable approach to plant nutrition is also attractive to consumers who prioritize environmentally friendly and ethically produced products. We can target local farms through direct marketing and partnerships, offering PPF as an alternative to traditional fertilizers and synthetic plant foods. PPF has the potential to become a go-to product for local urban farms looking to improve their soil health and promote sustainable agriculture. Now here's our timeline. What you need to know is that first goes feasibility, installation, commissioning, and then operations. As you can see, we are at the feasibility study about to conclude, which will enable us to go into the installation planning, the logistics, and then execute. We start up the digester and we hope to operate. We don't know the dates yet, but we'll get there. We are fortunate enough to have a diverse funding team, either directly or indirectly. We have access to two funds from the city of Seattle from different initiatives, one from King Conservation District, and another indirect fund that goes to our host, Food Lifeline, for the purchase of the biodigester. So what are the next steps? Well, if this economy model is successful, it could be a replicable model for marginalized communities. By scaling up the biodigester project to a larger size, more food waste could be produced, which means a larger amount of probiotic plant food will be produced. This would have a positive impact on the environment by reducing the amount of food waste sent to landfills, while also creating an opportunity for marginalized communities to access fresh produce and promote sustainable agriculture. The project could be replicated in other communities that are facing similar challenges, providing a scalable and sustainable solution that benefits both people and the planet, taking a step in the right direction. So what's our ask? We are seeking your help in creating a strong network of clients for our probiotic plant food. We believe that this innovative product can make a real difference, and we need your assistance to move forward. With your support, we can expand our reach and bring benefits of our probiotic plant food to a wider audience. By building a strong network of clients, we can increase the demand for our product and help urban farmers locally achieve a healthier, more robust crops.